Sean. Thanks for coming down today.
It's alright.
In your beautiful white Honda Integra Type R.
That's it.
What year is this?
It's 2001.
Okay. Is that when they first started?
That's when they started the DC5, yeah.
Production,
DC2 were before that, which they did the UK version of as well.
Oh, yeah.
These are only Jap import, they never did the UK version.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm new to this Honda stuff, and yeah, I don't know DC5, DC2. This one DC5 now, yeah? You told me that, yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, man, how long have you had this then?
This one, I've only had it about 4 months, to be honest. I had one a few years back now, which I had for 4 or 5 years.
Okay.
So I know the cars fairly well.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I had a DC2 in between that.
So you're a proper Honda guy then, yeah?
I do like them, yeah. There's something about them.
Yeah, proper driver's cars.
That's it.
So yeah, like the engine, I know like I've had Type R's on the channel, and are they the same engine, a 2-litre 4-cylinder?
They're very similar, yeah. So it's the K20 engine which it uses, which is similar to the EP3 has a K20 as well, but this is the K20A, which is a slightly higher compression than what the EP3s would be. Different camshaft, and they come with a different intake manifold as standard.
Oh, okay, cool.
Little changes to it, really. But
yeah, little subtle changes.
Yeah, but only for the Japanese.
They make it a different drive. You
Yeah,
can feel the difference,
yeah, that's it. And the gearbox, these come with LSD as standard as well.
Oh, okay, yeah. No, the EP3's got that one-wheel pill, man.
Yeah, that's it. So.
I see them doing that all the time. Yeah. So, what has he got? An air intake on here, or he must have? It sounds.
Yeah, it's got K&N Typhoon. I don't really like it, to be honest. It was on the car when I got it, and I weren't entirely sure on my plans with the car yet, so I hadn't changed that.
Anything.
On my old one, I had the Group M, which is like a carbon box.
Yeah, I've seen that.
It takes the air off the bonnet, and I liked that, and I think that's the option I'm going to go again. This it sits in a place a bit too much hot air to me.
Yeah. Okay.
It's alright.
Exhaust wise.
Exhaust, it's got a DC Sports manifold.
Okay.
There's a straight through mid pipes, there's no box in the middle, and then this Spoon N1 back box.
Spoon, yeah?
Yeah.
I swear they're quite pricey, the Spoon exhaust bits?
They can be. I mean, I got this one off of someone else, so it's a second-hand one, so I've got it for a decent price.
Yeah. Like new?
It's near enough new, and new, they're not cheap.
I was going to say, I remember.
They run a 2.5-inch pipe, which when you go more power on these, you kind of want a 3-inch.
You have to have 3.
But for what I've got on it now, it's fine.
Perfect.
It's got a distinct sound to it. So.
Yeah, no, it sounds lovely, man. Yeah, what wheels are on here? You got nice purple wheels, you know. That's a bit, it's a bit different, unique, you know. Like these cars are unique anyway. What are they?
They're rotor grids that I've got on there. So quite a common wheel, but I just mixed it up a little bit with the colour. Yeah, the colours, mate, the colours pop, especially in the sun. Sunlight, it's got the sparkle to it. So,
yeah, no, sick, man. I love that. Are they thin or are they wide? What sort of J are they?
They're 7.5, so yeah, they're not too wide, but they're enough for this car. Like I said, it's not crazy power in this, so it's they're wide enough for what it is at the minute, and it fills the arches nicely.
Yeah, it does. I'm not gonna lie. And what rubber you got on them then? You got
they're Nankang NS2Rs.
Oh, they're sticky Nankang.
They are sticky, and I've got they're 225 profiles. So I've tried to kind of get the widest that I can
on the 7.5J. Okay, makes sense.
Without any rubbing problems.
Decent.
So it hooks up quite nicely.
Decent.
So.
I spotted them. They can't be stock. Them 4-pop Brembo calipers.
They are.
No way.
The DC5, they get Brembos as standard, which is obviously another change on the EP3. They don't get.
Yeah, EP3 don't get that. They've got their mushy brakes.
So yeah, they're standard brakes, and they're pretty good, to be honest. I mean, on my last one, the only thing I changed on that, I put braided brake lines just to make the pedal a bit more stiff, which I haven't done on this yet, which I will do.
You will do, yeah.
It does make a nice difference.
Wicked.
The brakes are good as they are, really.
They gotta be, man, because these ain't even heavy.
No,
what do these weigh?
Off the top of my head, I can't actually remember now.
They've got to be 12.
Yeah, they're 12 something.
Low 12. They can't be, no, not 13.
So,
I'd say they're low 12s, but don't be at me on the comments, people. I'm not sure. He's not sure, but I'd say 12ish.
They're a light car, yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
And what suspension? You got oilies or springs?
No, so it's standard shocks and there's Spoon springs on there. So it don't really lower the car much at all, but it's just a little bit stiffer.
Same again. It's like fast road use, not not track dependent.
I mean, I probably will go coilovers eventually on it, but just because you get a bit more adjustment on there. But for what it is for now,
it's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, and you said gearbox stock, but
gearbox is stock, but
it comes with an LSD. Yeah. Is clutch and flywheel standard?
Clutch and flywheel standard. But they do again. They've got a light and flywheel. Standard. Basically.
Oh, it's standard.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the facelift EP3s come with a light and flywheel.
This is Honda school for me. You know, I used to think but the Integra was just the same as an EP3, open diff, spinning one wheel, same VTEC.
No, it is a different.
There's tasty little things that I never knew, and I'm happy I know now. And I feel like I'm gonna buy a Honda soon. Madness, but yeah, all right, cool. Yeah, let's get out in this madness.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Sweet, let's go. And we're out, guys, in the Integra Type R. Oh, there's no handles. Oh shit. Imagine that. I can't fit in. Sorry guys, no video of me driving, I'm too big. Literally, smart car, I travelled to Birmingham once, from London to get a smart car. Never drove one before, but got to Birmingham, I was like, mate, yeah, it's lovely and that. Car was all driving, no smoke, everything was good. Sat in it to drive it. I could not get my fires. The chair didn't drop down, and the steering wheel didn't go up. I couldn't get my. I've just look, my legs scraping this now, just so. Wasted journey to fucking Birmingham and that. Madness. Where's?
Yeah, that's okay.
Same as FN2.
Yeah, they're all the same on all of these EP3 FN2.
Don't worry. Where's the clutch? Okay. I'm used to turbos. Okay. She is eager, isn't she?
It does, yeah. It will go as soon as you go.
Mate. Oh fuck me. We need 4,000 RPM.
Oh yeah, indicators are on the other side.
Oh snap! Yeah. There you go. See, that's how you know. I'm doing all wipers. That's the newbie Honda. Nice though.
That's what I mean. It's firm, but it's,
the clutch is well soft.
Yeah. Well, that's it.
I expect it to be a bit.
No, I haven't got any upgraded clutch or anything on it. So it's all standard.
It's nice though. It's not like. It's not what I want. I don't really want a grabby. No one wants a grabby clutch or a heavy clutch feel.
It's easy to drive. That's it.
Yeah. That's alright. Okay, is that how you do your downshift? Yeah. Oh shit. Okay, straight away. Oh. Mate, Honda newbie here. Sorry, guys. Fucking wipers and all sorts. Yeah, no, this is sick, man. What's your social medias and all that for the guys to
mine's
follow you?
It's at Sean SEANEB. But I mean, I post a few car bits now and again.
Or Instagram?
Yeah, that's Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wicked. And the other your tuning guys, MK Performance. Yeah. Is he on Instagram? At MK Performance.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, we'll put that in the description for everyone to follow and that. Because mate, I haven't heard a K20 like this, and I've heard and seen loads. This is the way it's like it's not even pops and bangs, it's spits.
Yeah, that's it. It just sounds
a different sound, man. I don't know if it's because of the spoon.
I think it's a combination of that, and yeah, it's just
tuning, timing, and ignition time. Mate, wicked bit of kit, man. Thanks for coming down, man.
That's all right, man.
Appreciate it highly, bro. This is sick. I'm an Integra fan. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow. Give Sean a follow on his Insta. Look at his builds. He does loads of K20 stuff, K20 swaps. I think he's got another. You got another one or two?
I've got an FN2 at the minute that we're going to be turboing.
FN2 turboing. Okay. You're definitely subscribing for that. If you don't, you're silly as hell, man. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Nice one. Bye.